Hi everyone, welcome to Asian Home Kitchen. My name is Tik. Today we make Thai milk pudding. In Thailand we call Tao Hoo Nom Sod. It's a Thai dessert, but sometimes I eat like an appetizer. Let's get into it. Alright, the first ingredient I'm gonna use gelatin. In the box it has a small package so that easy to use it. I'm gonna use one package. Put it in the bowl. Mix with 1 cup of water. Stir until dissolved. Set it aside for 4 to 5 minutes. While we're waiting for the gelatin, I'm gonna prepare 1.5 cup of milk. Next, we're gonna prepare heavy cream. I need 2 cups of heavy cream. We use evaporated milk in Thailand, but heavy cream, it tastes a lot better than evaporated milk. Next, we're gonna start to cook the pudding. Turn on over low heat. Add milk and add gelatin. Stir to mix well for a minute. And then add 1 cup of sugar. I add half cup sugar. Now I'm adding the second half cup or 1 cup total sugar. Add a little bit salt. Stir to mix well for a minute. And then add heavy cream in. One more ingredient to make the pudding taste delicious. I'm gonna add a little vanilla flavor in. Mix well. Turn the heat off and let it cool down. That's it. Now I'm gonna make the milk sauce. Use over low heat. Add 1 cup of milk. Add a little salt. Add a half cup of sweet condensed milk. Continue stirring until the sweet condensed milk is dissolved. Of course, I'm gonna add a little vanilla flavor. Add 1.5 cup of heavy cream. Mix very well. Turn the heat off and then let it cool down. When the pudding gets cool, pour it in a container. You can use any container you like. When you pour the pudding in a container, keep room for topping and milk sauce. Then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. Let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. After it sits, I'm gonna add topping. I got strawberry, kiwi, raspberry. Fruit topping I soak them with sugar and leave it in the refrigerator overnight to make sure it's not too sour. And then add a little milk sauce. You see, I made a lot of sauce because I like it. When I have it, I like to add a lot. The sauce so delicious. I have one no topping. You can taste it before you add topping. Maybe you like it. The last my topping, I'm gonna add blueberries in. Alright, let's see the pudding. This is how my pudding look like. If you don't like, you can add more gelatin. Or you can use the agar-agar powder so that you can get firm pudding. And you can mix the agar-agar with gelatin. You can decide what you like, okay? When you eat sauce, topping and pudding together.
It tastes very good. If you ask me which one I like both. The original one, sweet and creamy. But when we add fruit in, it tastes sweet, creamy and a little bit sour. Oh, I like it. And I hope you like it too. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!